with neck pain, you want to make sure they haven't had an alar ligament snap. Okay, so your alar ligament connects pretty much your neck to your head. Okay, if that ligament snaps, chronic instability, it'll be like very unstable in their head, and if you do anything, it can result in you being paralyzed pretty much. Okay, so we test this ligament to make sure that you don't need to send you to hospital. So you're putting your fingers underneath base of the skull, kind of C1 area. So that's a base of the skull there, here. And then all I do is like that. Okay. So you should notice that the chin moves in unison with my push. Yep. So if I push, let's say I'm pushing here, your chin doesn't move, that means there's no ligament there. So the fact that I'm pushing and your chin is moving at the same time, that ligament's intact. Okay, so if someone comes in with really bad headaches, dizziness, vomiting, it feels like their head's gonna fall off, you do that to make sure you don't kill them.